Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya is a central practice of the inner engineering program designed by Sadhguru. It's a 21-minute yogic practice that aims to bring about physical, mental, and emotional balance. Here is a detailed breakdown of the program and the practice. Inner engineering program. Mechanics of life. This step involves understanding the human body, described as the most sophisticated machine, and learning how to use it to achieve a higher possibility. The only bondage. This step is about unleashing one's desires without limitations, exploring the boundlessness of desire and its connection, the one's ultimate nature, to live and to live totally. It emphasizes living life to the fullest by expanding one's sense of self, which is the only way to experience life completely. You are not what you think. This part of the program teaches that living every moment with absolute willingness can transform life into a heavenly experience. Mind, the miracle. Instead of trying to control the mind, this step aims to liberate it to its fullest potential, creating what you want. It focuses on the idea that both wellness and illness come from within, and turning inward is essential for well-being. Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. Transmission of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. The final step is a live session where the actual practice of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya is taught. It's a tool to touch the source of creation and bring about a profound transformation by connecting with one's innermost core. Reported benefits. Reduction in stress level by 50%. Improved sleep quality. Enhanced levels of anandamide, the body's natural antidepressant. Increased energy levels, joy and productivity. Enhanced emotional balance and mood. Participants have reported various personal benefits such as better management of panic attacks, deeper understanding of yoga, healthier relationships, and relief from chronic conditions like PTSD-1. The program is available online, making it accessible to a wide audience, and is designed to help individuals take charge of their body, mind, emotions, and energies. It's a comprehensive approach to self-transformation and well-being, backed by Sadhguru's extensive experience in yogic sciences.